The Tejas MK2 fighter jet completed its critical design review on 15 November, and 20 subsystems were individually cleared by the Indian Air Force. All the raw materials are available for production, and the metal cutting will start soon. The completion of critical design review will allow hundreds of Indian private firms to participate in the 4.5 generation fighter jet program that will have 70% level of indigenization, and 410 private firms across the country will be supplying line replacement units and other components. The rollout will happen in December 2022, and the first flight will be conducted by the end of 2023. After the induction of the remaining 2 Scorpene-class submarines in 2022, the Indian Navy's conventional submarine fleet will not see any new induction of conventional submarines till 2030, as the first of the 6 submarines under Project 75I will roll out in 2030, while some reports indicate that the Project 75I will not materialize for the next few years. The current inventory of conventional submarines will also see a decline in the next 10 years, as the Kilo-class submarines will be out of service by 2032, and all 4 Type 209 submarines will have to be retired between 2030 and 2034. France have already offered to build 3 new Scorpene-class submarines with major internal improvements as well as integrating the DRDO-developed air-independent propulsion system. Russia has also offered $1.8 billion 3+3 package that includes upgrade work on 3 existing Kilo-class submarines of the Indian Navy, with an additional 3 refurbished Russian Navy Kilo-class submarines. It's time for India to use one of the 2 offers to upgrade its current undersea firepower, and also start work on 6 indigenous submarine program with public-private sector partnership. After reports that both Pakistan and China have inducted advanced sniping rifles of different calibers, and have enhanced their sniping capability along the borders with India, the Indian Army has also made some changes in its sniper training course, and has now decided to train its snipers on the .338 Sako TRG42 rifles. The Indian Army had already inducted a limited number of .338 Sako TRG42 rifles, Barrett M95 and the Lapua Magnum Scorpio TGT in 2019. The .338 Sako TRG42 sniper rifle has an effective range of 1,500 meters, and is considered one of the most accurate and trustworthy rifles worldwide. The Indian Army is upgrading its Dragunov sniper rifles, and is also looking for 5,700 high-precision sniper rifles at an estimated cost of 982 crore rupees, along with the transfer of technology for the local production of the ammunition in India. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has signed a deal for the local manufacturing of components of marine gas turbine engines manufactured by Ukrainian firm Zorya Mashprokt, and this agreement will also expand the opportunities for participation in new projects. Ukraine is already providing gas turbine engines for the 4 Tulwar-class guided missile stealth frigates that are being built for the Indian Navy. The Navy will soon have 34 warships driven by Zorya gas turbine engines, which adds up to 136 in-service gas turbine engines, and this local manufacturing of components will result in easy availability of spares, and Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited will also overhaul these engines, after running for 30,000 hours. Ahead of the annual India-Russia summit on 6 December, hectic negotiations are currently underway to put finishing touches on a wide-ranging strategic defense deals. The decks have finally been cleared for the 5,124 crore rupees project to manufacture 6 lakh AK-203 rifles, and $1.5 billion deal for IGLA-S system is also now in the final stages, that will include an initial off-the-shelf purchase, followed by technology transfer to Bharat Dynamics Limited for subsequent local production. the deal for 12 Su-30 and 21 MiG-29 fighter jets, as well as upgrade of 59 MiG-29 fighter jets to UPG standard along with additional supplies and spares worth 20,000 crore rupees will be concluded in the first quarter of 2022, while the deal for 200 CAM of 226 helicopters is stuck at the technical evaluation stage.